If you think I got lucky, so you don't have to do anything with this first one here. You just leave that right there. Reach up there, and all you're doing is grabbing the little pin right there and pulling down on it. And once I'm there, I'm just going to swivel this down like that. Get it away from there, lift up on the bottom. See? Now to put it down, back. I used to try to do it all kinds of funky ways, put it like this and tilt it down and all that. I can just hold it like this and work right here, line that up, and there's a foot bottom goodie on there, and I just kind of hold it on there and pull it over to feel when it clicks on. Right there. Now, see, it's on at the bottom, and I'm just going to swivel this, and I can see right up through the louver and see exactly where this is. Let go of my finger and pop it in the hole there. Get this wheel, push down on it, line it up, and then I'm real careful as I'm closing it because if I have it too close to the door, to the wall, it's going to rub, okay? So see, at this point, then I just have to do some little adjusting here because I don't have that exactly where it needs to go because it's hitting right there. So I'm just going to get down here. I'm going to take my hands and lift up on it and swivel it. And I'm just taking that pin and sliding it down that way, making sure it's not rubbing the wall. That's perfect. And there you go. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.